everyone, and welcome to Scholarships Corner. Scholarships Corner is back with a fully funded fellowship in USA, the Humphrey Fellowship Program in USA 2023. This is the most awaited fully funded fellowship for international individuals. The top fellowship program to study in the USA for free focuses on the self-motivated minds who have leadership qualities and have the potential to change the world. The fellowship is also known as the Hubert Humphreys Fellowship, which aims at constructing the bond between the US and the other countries of the world by providing equal opportunities to the professionals of the world to excel in their fields. The Fulbright exchange program aims at strengthening the ties between the US and the other states by imparting knowledge about the issues which are of US concern. Moreover, the program is designed in a way that it becomes a cultural exchange program in the US. The fellows are given the opportunities to explore the US culture through field trips and by staying away from the host institution for a while. This US-based, fully funded fellowship is a golden opportunity for the fellows to broaden their perspectives and become influential global leaders. The fellows are given the task by which they can interact with their other Humphrey colleagues, as the program is not a traditional graduate program. In this fellowship program, the fellows will learn practically from the workshops, seminars, and from teamwork. The Humphrey program works worldwide and is facilitated by overseas binational Fulbright commissions or foundations or the public affairs section of the U.S. Embassy. Some more details about the fellowship program in the USA. The host country is United States. The program type is a non-degree program. The number of Humphrey Fellowships, approximately 150 fellowships are awarded annually. The fellowship duration is 10 months. You can also see the fellowship programs field, eligible regions for the Humphrey Fellowship USA, Sub-Saharan Africa, East Asia and the Pacific, South and Central Asia, Western Hemisphere, Europe and Eurasia, and the Middle East and North Africa. Eligibility criteria is the candidate must be an undergraduate and have a first-class bachelor's degree. Candidate must have 5 years of full-time professional work experience. Candidate must not have any prior experience in the US or a very limited experience can be accepted. Candidate must demonstrate leadership qualities. The candidate must be proficient in the English language. The candidate must be actively involved in the community services. So let's see the application process, how you can apply for this fellowship program. The candidate have to contact the US Embassy or the binational Fulbright Commission in their country. The candidate have to select their country and send the application according to their own country's deadline. Every country has a different application deadline. The candidates have to select the host university for the desired course. The course must be selected from the given list. The applicants are submitted to the U.S. Commission or the U.S. embassies in the home countries because commissions and embassy review applications submitted for the Humphrey Fellowship Program, invite selected applicants for interview, and determine which applicants are to be forwarded for further consideration. The deadline varies from country to country. However, the applications must reach the U.S. by the October 1st, 2022, so it is better to make the application as early as possible. Click on Apply Now to view details on the official website. You will be redirected to this page. You can see how to apply to the Humphrey Fellowship Program. Then you can see Am I eligible? The basic eligibility criteria. And you can also contact the US Embassy, Public Affairs section or the binational Fulbright Commission in your country to learn about the possible specific program requirements. You can view the program fields, the fields in which the fellowship is offered. The fellowship is offered in multiple fields. You can choose your relevant field from this list. The selection process. This is the 5-stage selection process. The fellowship stipend. Fellowship components. And you can also view the frequently asked questions by your fellows. So we hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.